Okay, for this problem, they're giving us that two cities, and each city has an equation to calculate the price of a home, right? So in Smallville, they use this equation, and P is the price of the home, and A is the area in square feet, right? And then for the other city, we'll use green, which the other city is Fancyville, right? So this one is Fancyville. There's the price of their home. So then the person saw that there was an advertisement for 2,800 square foot home, right? Which is the area in the formulas. And it was selling for 280,000, which is the P. So what we could do, and then they're saying, which city do you think it's from? So we could use each formula to figure out what the price estimate would be, and then see which one's closer. So let's do Smallville first. I'll use the red for that, right? So P equals 150 plus 0.041A, right? Oh, sorry, not A. A is 2,800, right? 2,800. And then I'll do the same for Fancyville, and in that one I'll use P equals 250 plus 0.198 times 2,800. And for this, you can use your calculator, and we could come up with values. So if we do this, so the first one in red was Smallville, right? So we look at Smallville and we make this calculation, right? And it comes out to 264,800, right? $800, right? And then we do the same for Fancyville. We do this on our calculator, and it comes out to 804,400, right? So the price that they gave in the question was a $280,000 house, so we would say that most likely it was from Smallville. And the reason why it is not exact is because these equations are trend lines through real data, so they're predictions, right?